My name is Juan and today I will share with you how to prepare a super low carb sisa chicken and pumpkin pie. Why I am using sisa? Because sisa is very high in protein and very low in simple carbohydrates. Stay tuned and I will show you how to prepare it. The ingredients that I'm using for today's pie and for the base dough. I will first cut the pumpkin in small pieces, remove the seeds and put it to boil. And don't forget to add some salt. In the meantime, I will cut the veggies and the chicken in small pieces. Preheat your frying pan, add the butter, melt it slowly, add the onions, mix them properly, and then the chicken. Put some salt and mix it together. Add some pepper and fry it until you reach the perfect cooking point, like here. I like to add some cheddar cheese grated to make the chicken sticky. Once the pumpkin is ready, remove it from the water and smash it slowly and let it cool aside. Now my favorite part. I will mix the sisa together with the flour and I will add some salt and the eggs. And I will start scrambling the eggs together with the flour. I will add part of the water now and mix it together. I will add the last sip of water to incorporate the remaining flour together with the sisa. Get everything from the container, add some flour and start kneading it. When I was reading about this ingredient, sisa, I realized that this is a superfood that was created more than 3,000 years ago by ladies in Tunisia, that they prepare this for the travelers, that they use it for crossing the desert. Okay, now I will stretch it in a circular shape and with the thickness of 1 centimeter. And once it's done, I will put it in a shape that I already have with some flour and stretch the edges. Now that our dough is prepared and stretched and already on our shape, I will put first the chicken part and on top of that I will put the pumpkin, and later that will go to the oven for approximately 45 minutes. It is important that the chicken, as well as the pumpkin, it is at room temperature before assembling the pie. And then you also press it down, but gently to make it firm. And then I cut the edges. And now this beauty will go to the oven. Once it's done, let it cool for 40 minutes. And careful when cut the first slide, it's always the most difficult one. Oh, lovely. Super tasty, super healthy, perfect. It was an easy one, right? I hope you also find it helpful. And if you have any doubts or questions, please let me know in the comment sections. Thanks for watching. Bye. Was good. Yeah.